In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can remove these black bands if you're using PowerPoint as a background for your YouTube presentations. So the problem is most people's PowerPoints are set up for the screen presentation using old CRT monitors. So all you have to do is to go into Design, Page Setup, and change from on-screen show 4 to 3 to on-screen show 16 by 9. And change that, click on OK. So now the presentation exactly fits and matches the YouTube dimensions of its video player. I'll do it one more time with another presentation. So we go to Design, Page Setup, and change from on-screen show 4 to 3 to 16 by 9. Okay, and there's my presentation. So show you that this one works. This one is okay as well. The downside to using this is you will find some of the images and to a lesser extent the text looks a bit stretched. So you can easily go through and resize your images. You'll also find that you might have to remove some of the text because there are less lines now. So as you can see, I have too much content on here, so I'll probably make this into 2 slides. Also, you might need to move images. And of course, if you're speaking down in the corner, then you might have to move and keep this area free or this area free, depending on where you put your mini-me. I hope you found that quick tip useful. Thanks for watching.